ScalaHosting is a web hosting company that has gained popularity due to its combination of affordability, performance, and unique features. Here's a breakdown of its advantages and disadvantages. Pros: excellent performance. ScalaHosting utilizes SSD storage across all hosting plans, contributing to fast website loading times. Their servers are well optimized for speed and reliability. WordPress Manager. ScalaHosting offers a specialized WordPress management tool for their managed WordPress plans, making setup, updates, and security a breeze. SShield Security. This proprietary security system helps to block most cyber attacks, providing a strong layer of website protection included in most plans. Great customer support. ScalaHosting consistently receives praise for its 24/7 customer support team. The team is both knowledgeable and quick to respond. Flexible plans. ScalaHosting provides shared, managed WordPress and various levels of VPS hosting, ensuring options for a wide range of websites and budgets. Anytime money-back guarantee. Unlike many competitors, ScalaHosting allows you to cancel your plan and get a refund whenever you like, not just within an introductory period. Cons: limited entry-level security. The cheapest shared hosting plans don't include the full SShield security suite. No dedicated servers. ScalaHosting focuses on shared and VPS hosting. Dedicated server options are not available. Domain name required. You can't use a temporary domain during setup. You need to have your own domain name ready at the time of sign-up. Thank you for watching. Get a special Hostinger offer and promo code in the description.